This is a great discovery that the Prophet Marquise wants to show you. This video is a reference to Barack Hussein Obama, who is the 3-6, who is Revelations 13:18. The man mentioned in Revelations 13:18 is no other than the 44th President of the United States of America. In this video, I will demonstrate, based on what God has shown me in the presentation, calculations of mathematics, showing you how Barack Hussein Obama, numbers of his name, the numerical values, numbers of his name, or three of his names, shows proof who this individual is. His middle name, Hussein, when added is 95. Let us change into numbers. Multiplied by 2 will bring you to the number 1520 that looks like the year 2015. 216000 is no other than 600. 3 scoring 6. 600 times 60 times 6 is 2100. Excuse me, is 216000. When multiplied by 2 so many consecutive times will show you a number identical to the year 5776, the year in Israel this year, 2015. Barack's all three different names multiplied is 675 or 675. Barack is 6 letters long, Hussein is 7 letters long, and Barack is 5 letters long. When multiplied 2 times, so many consecutive times, will also show you the year 5776 for Israel this year. Barack's name multiplied is 1188. Multiplied by 2 so many consecutive times will show you 576, which is no other than Barack Hussein Obama in reverse. 1188 is Barack's name multiplied times 2 so many consecutive times will show you a number that looks like 2015. Barack's all three different names added is 163. Multiplied by 2 so many consecutive times will show you a number that looks like the year 5776 for Israel this year. His age, 54, times 2 when multiplied by 2 so many consecutive times will show you a number that looks like the year 5776 for Israel this year. Furthermore, taking 95, Barack Hussein Obama's middle name, Hussein, which is added is 95, multiplied by 2 so many consecutive times shows you the year 1776 inside the calculation, the year United States started. Just as if you took Barack Hussein Obama, all three different names multiplied, shows you inside the answer 1776. Let us change it to numbers. As I mentioned to you, taking the name Barack Hussein Obama, all his three different names, Barack Hussein Obama, Barack Hussein Obama, all his three different names multiplied shows you 1776 inside the calculation, the year when the United States started, 1776. Because it's shown like this when all his three different names are multiplied, because he is the last president of the United States. First will be last, the last will be first. Barack Hussein Obama's all three names added is 163. 18 letters is comprised in all the three different names of Barack Hussein Obama. 163 is all his names added, divided by 3 shows his age, 54 years old. 54 divided by 3 shows 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 letters in total of his three different names. Barack Hussein Obama, 18 letters. 1188 is Barack's first name multiplied is 1188. Divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3, or 3 consecutive 3s, 3 times divided shows 44th, showing that he's the 44th president, connected to Barack's name multiplied. 1188 divided by 44 shows 27. 44 times 27 is 1188. Taking 27, multiplying it by 2 shows you Barack's age, 54. 27 multiplied by 2, by 2, by 2, by 3 consecutive 2s shows you 216. Barack was born on the 216th day of the year. Barack is a 216. 216 is no other than 666. 216 is no other than 666. Barack is the 666. 216. Inside the name Barack, you find the chapter and the verse, Revelations 13:18, embedded inside the name Barack, because the R is 18, A is 1, and C is 3. 600, 3 score, shows 36. Barack's first name added is 36. Times 6 is 216. This number 1600 is no other than 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. Barack was born on the 216th day of the year. He is a 666. Friday, August 4th, 1961, the year Barack was born, was a regular standard year, wasn't a leap year, so that August 4th was 1961, the 216th day of the year. Taking 1 times 9 times 6 times 1 shows you the year that Barack was born. 1961 shows his age, 54. In 2015, the number 216 divided by 4 is 54. Also, 27 multiplied 3 times over by the number 2 shows 216. 27 is half of 54. 27 times 2 is 54. Barack, name multiplied is 1188. Inside his name, you can see Revelations 13:18, as I previously showed you. When multiplied, 2 times 1 times 18 times 1 times 3 times 11 is 1188. 1188 multiplied by 10 is the word evil. E is 5, V is 22, I is 9, and L is 12. When 5 times 22 times 9 times 12 is multiplied, that is the number 10 times a 1188. Barack's number is 11880, the number for evil. Evenly, Barack is evil. 239, the 239th year of the United States, shows Barack's age, 54. Unmistakably. His middle name, Hussein, made up of 7 letters, but letters change the numbers. H is 8, U is 21, S is 19, S is 19, E is 5, I is 9, and N is 14. When added is 95. 95, the numerical number of his middle name, when multiplied by 2 so many consecutive times, shows the year 2015. 603 scoring 6 multiplied shows 216,000. 216,000 divided by 1,000 shows 216. Barack is the 216. Inside 216,000 comprises the address of the Pennsylvania Avenue, the White House, 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. So you know you're talking about the president. 16, that number inside the 216, divided by 4 is 4, showing the 44th president is connected with the 216, 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. The last president connected to that address would be the 44th president. show as 4 times 4 is 16. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay? So, taking 2 times 8, we get the number 16. 28 is the number of man. Revelations 13:18 says, here is wisdom, let him who have understanding count the number of the beast, 4 is also the number of man. The word beast, B is 2, E is 5, A is 1, S is 19, T is 20. When that is added, let us change the numbers, it's 47. 4 times 7 is 28. So, undoubtedly, 2 times 8 is 16, and 4 times 7 is 28. Showing you in the name Lucifer when multiplied is a 74. 4 times 7 is 28. Barak's all three different names is 163. Found inside the name Lucifer when multiplied. You also see the 16. 16 being 4 times 4. Associated with 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. The White House, the address of the president. Barak was born Friday, August 4th, 1961 was a regular year, was not a leap year. 216,000 divided by 4 shows 54. It is actually 54,000, but we're looking at the 54, excluding the zeros, shows Barak's age. Also, looking at the area code for DC, 202 times 2 is 404. You see the beginning and the end, 44, connected with the 44th president, the last president that will reside in the White House in Washington, D.C., or then Barack Hussein Obama. 252000 being the number for Babylon, Revelation chapter 17, divided by 3, or 3 of all 3 of Barack's names. Barack Hussein Obama shows you 84. Barack was born Friday, 8/4/1961. First and foremost, the word Babylon, B, multiply it, B, A, B, Y is 25, L is 12, O is 15, N is 14. Okay. Babylon is 252000. Inside the number for the word Babylon, which is no other than the United States, you have 202, the area code for DC. Also, you have 20500, which is zip code for DC. This number, as I was showing you my notes, divided by 3, shows you 84. The month and day the president was born, August 4th. Also, taking 252000, dividing that by 5 shows you the age that Barack is, 54. So you see, divided by 3 shows you his birthday, August 4th. Divided by 5 shows you his age. He is now 54. Furthermore, 84 divided by 3 gives you the number of man. I already showed you 2 times 8. I already showed you that Revelations 13:18, or I mentioned to you, Revelations 13:18 says, let whom have wisdom count the number. Here is wisdom. Let whom have understanding count the number of the beast, for is also the number of a man. Taking the month and day he was born, divided by 3 gives you the number 28, the number for man, the same word mentioned in Revelations 13:18. 2 times 8 is 16. Adding zeros to that, you will see 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. Also, 216 times 2 gives you a number 432. Similar to the word Torah, which shows you a number 432. Surely this man is against the law of God. Had he not been, he wouldn't have. On June 26, 2015, applauded and helped pass a law that okayed same-sex marriage in America. 252, the three numbers for the word Babylon, when multiplied, shows you his age, 54, when he would be no more. 252 times 2 times 2 times 2 shows you 2016. Proof that God will destroy the United States and Barack Hussein Obama and Mystery Babylon no later than the year 2015. Quite possibly the year 2015. 2016 divided by 4 shows you his age. Barack is 54. 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue multiplied by 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 5 consecutive 2 times, shows you a year 2015. Undoubtedly, the year 2016 times 125 shows you the number for Babylon, 252000. Proof that God will destroy United States, Mystery Babylon, no later than the year 2000. In the year 2015, possibly no later than the year 2016, United States will be destroyed. The year 2016, or the number 2016, multiplied evenly 125 into the number for Babylon, 252000. Also, reason why United States is Mystery Babylon is associated to the number 2520, the lunar year, the lunar cycle. Also associated to 168 hours and 7 days that God created the earth, times 15 degrees. So every day is 360 degrees. 7 days in a week is 2520. Being that this is the United States Mystery Babylon, is the last great superpower mentioned in Revelation chapter 17. And President Obama, whose name is similar to the word abomination, is the last president of the United States, will show you, in this calculation I will show you, that half of that divided by 2, will show you the 1,260 of days mentioned in Revelation chapter, mentioned in the book of Revelations, and also in Daniel. 25200, also divided by 5, will show you all the years Barack will live, 54, till he is no more. That number, 2520, is all the degrees in the week that God created the earth. Looking at all the 4 corners, 2015, shows 2015. Shows you, furthermore, proof, 86, who is Elohim, will destroy the United States no later than the year 2016, quite possibly the year 2015. Year 2015, which found inside the middle of the word God, G-O-D, shows 2015, also 44 for the 44th President of the United States of America.